Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel, and it's Heroclix Mail Day. So let's go. Okay, so we have here a package from Shopee, an online store that we often buy items from. Okay, so we took another look at his shop. He regularly updates it with oldies and but goodies of Heroclix, and we have only a few items, but anytime we open a box, may it be few or bulk, is a great day for Heroclix. So we have here the box. Thank you once again for Sir Roland and your online shop. Keep up the good work of giving us access to older figures especially. And we have, boom, a bubble wrap. Bubble wrap is always a good sign. Ooh, we have a couple of cards. Okay, so you can already see two of the items I have purchased. Okay, so Toyman and Typhoid Mary. But let's take a look at all of it. Okay. Okay, so we have here, let's start off with Zatanna, our favorite DC character. So this is the Experience Zatanna set number 56. The only Zatanna I'm missing. I already have the Novice and the Veteran. Okay, so glad to finally have her in the collection. We also have Lightning Lad. I think Lightning Lad is a freebie. So every time we buy something from this store, he gives us a freebie. Although there's no card for Lightning Lad, but free is free. So thank you for this one. Legion of Heroes, I guess. Okay, a DC figure. And then we have one of the cards, Typhoid Mary. A super rare from the Deadpool set. Okay, so you can see here. Okay. I recently got interested in Typhoid Mary because I found out that she is a mutant. Okay. Is it removable? I think so. But I don't want to mess it up. So she is a mutant indeed, and she is married to Kingpin. Okay, so I tried to collect now Typhoid Mary. Okay, and we can see here Typhoid Mary, Assassin, Detective, Initiative, Martial Artist, and the hand keywords. She has a trait. I'm just Mary Walker, soap opera actress / Bloody Mary, psychotic butcher. So she has a dissociative identity disorder, I think. So multiple personalities. One is typhoid, one is Mary Walker, and the other one is the psychotic butcher, Bloody Mary. So each time a new click is revealed due to damage taken from an opponent's attack, roll a d6 on a result of 6, stop turning the dial, and Typhoid Mary ignores all further damage dealt this turn. So it's like a stop click on a roll of 6. On a result of 4-5, you may replace her with Bloody Mary on the same click number, and then deal her the remaining damage -1. Okay, now I have to get that Bloody Mary Prime version. So this is 58A, a super rare Prime, so Bloody Mary. Okay, so her mutant power is, he has telekinesis and also pyrokinetic. Typhoid Mary can use energy explosion as if she had 2 targets. And when she does, untargeted hit characters are dealt penetrating damage. So the splash damage is penetrating. 100 points. Okay, real name is Mary Walker. Significant appearance, Deadpool number 6. She also had a thing with Deadpool and Daredevil. Okay, but she is now a villain. Typhoid Mary. Okay, the other one we have is Toyman. Okay, Legion of Doom, Metropolis, Superman, Revenge Squad. Okay, so this is a Golden Age figure. Real name is Winslow Scott. Okay, background. Winslow Scott is an inventive genius who turned his talent for toy making to personal gain when he began to build toy soldiers armed with real guns, remote controlled trucks loaded with explosives, and a toy box full of little devices. His schemes have often brought him into conflict with Superman, particularly when they endanger the children of Metropolis. So 2007 release. I got this to be part of my Christmas Clicks collection. Okay, because of the toy soldier. Okay, so you will see this appear come Christmas season. Okay, so we also have a Heroclix ring. Okay, so previously we got the blue version, but we found out there's a black version as well. So I'm happy to get one. This is 2008, patent pending. I wonder if it's still pending until this time. So Heroclix, this again, for those who are not familiar, would be used for older base figures to easily turn the dial. Okay, so this is a part of Heroclix history. And then finally, the last item that we have is a saber tooth. Okay, or specifically a Were saber tooth. Okay, so I think this is from Mage Knight. Okay, so Mage Knight is also a tabletop game very similar with Heroclix, but it's been long phased out. I also used to play Mage Knight, but not only up until a couple of sets in. Okay, so the latter part of Mage Knight history, I'm not able to play anymore. Okay, so there's a note here at the bottom of the figure. Queen Gora were saved Bertut. Okay, so before these circular stickers are part of the booster so that you can put your name. Okay, to make sure that you're protecting your figures from being stolen, I guess. So I don't know what this set is from. It's 44 points. I bought this item as a placeholder for one of my Heroclix figures, which is Kazar. Okay, so Kazar from the Avengers Forever set. As you know, he has a best friend, Zabu, and he generates the Zabu bystander, which is a saber-tooth tiger. So this will be the bystander for Zabu. Okay, so if you're curious, this is the dial for Zabu as a bystander. Charge, Blade's Claw, Toughness, and Battle Fury. Okay, so usually I'm satisfied with just printing the bystander on and then sticking it on a poker chip and then protecting it like this. Okay, as the token. But when I saw this saber tooth, I just had to get it. You can see the uncanny resemblance between Zabu and this Were saber tooth. Okay, so definitely something we will use when we use Kazar in our team build. So that's it for our pulls for this Heroclix Mail Day unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and comment on anything about this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.